Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm Christian here at Algebraix Data. I'm going to talk about what the benefits are to using Aqua in your Spark workloads. The two main areas that we hope to impact your business are time savings and cost savings. First, let's talk about time savings. Time savings is related to two things: human cost of implementation and actual query time reduction. Since Aqua autonomously improves performance, you can focus on simply answering your important business questions, focusing on what matters. The end result is your team doesn't get distracted by constantly trying to fine tune their Spark applications. The other time savings benefits is all about application runtime. Because Aqua is sitting in the background analyzing query plans as you run queries, over time we find interesting and creative ways to speed those queries up. For production workloads, the savings can grow to be enormous. Also, for many users of Spark, long application runtimes means that allowing multiple users to use the same cluster can be too difficult. If application runtimes are shorter, we are opening the door for more cluster sharing. The next area of impact is cost savings. There's three ways that Aqua can impact your total spend: fewer hours of runtime, smaller cluster size, and cheaper node types in your clusters. The first cost savings is simple. If you spend less hours running a cluster on Elastic workloads, you spend less. In other words, our goal is to help users of Elastic clusters to be able to turn off their clusters sooner. Over the span of a year, if your daily usage goes down from 8 hours a day to 4 hours a day, we will have reduced your cluster spend by potentially hundreds of hours. The second cost savings comes in the form of reduced cluster size. Because we're sitting in the background constantly identifying ways to reuse small computations, over time you will have amassed quite a few reusable computations that are stored durably. By having these computations available for reuse, future queries require less work, and thus you can get away with reducing the size of your cluster. The third cost savings comes in the form of cheaper node types within your existing cluster. For the types of workloads that require your clusters to be running all the time, we can improve cost there by allowing you to kick down into a less expensive node type. For the same reasons we can impact the total cluster size, we can also apply that to node type. Cluster sizes that remain constant can benefit from a rich cache of computations that allows future cluster nodes to be less powerful and less expensive. Overall, Aqua can benefit your company by reducing the amount of time you spend fine-tuning your applications. It reduces the overall application runtime. It can reduce the hourly spend on your clusters and has the potential to use less expensive clusters. For more information about Aqua, please visit algebraixdata.com. Thanks for watching.